That was a close race. Do you hear that? It sounds kind of like a bunny rabbit. Yeah, and it's coming from up there. Oh no, the bunny is trapped. We need to do something. I have an idea. We can use my lasso. Now I just need to figure out how to get it up there. Well, maybe I can throw it up there. Here it goes. Okay, that should do it. You can come down now. I'll catch you. Oh no, it looks like the bunny rabbit is stuck. That makes sense. Oh, hi there. It's a little kitty cat. I think she wants to help. Wow, she's already up there. She sure can climb fast. She sure can climb fast, but now she's afraid to come down. And now they're both stuck up there. I think we should get the Paw Patrol team. Did somebody call the Paw Patrol team? We sure did, and that was fast. It looks like somebody needs to be rescued. Here it goes. It's run, jump, ladder time. Here I come. Whoa! I'll meet you up there. How does it look? They're really stuck in there, but I should be able to get them out. It's not working. What do I do?
Watch out. I have splat all over me, and I can't see anything. That's better. Hey, it's PJ Masks and Paw Patrol team.
Hey Batman, we're on a rescue mission. We could sure use your help.
I see. I'll be right back. Batman is here to help.
How did he get up there so fast? He's Batman.
It looks like both of you are stuck. I'll help out. There we go. And that should do it.
And I know just how we can get them down. I'll be right back. I think he's going to get his hang glider. This will be perfect.
Okay, you two. They'll get you down in just a moment.
Batman, how did you do that so fast?
Well, I practice a lot, and because I'm Batman.
That's what I said, because you're Batman.
Being Batman sure helps out, but I do appreciate everyone's help.
Here comes Rubble. Get in quick. There we go. And here comes Chase. Wow, that sure was a team effort. From all of us, thanks for watching our channel, Just for Fun 290. We'll see you next time, friends. Bye.